this video, I'll be showing you the practical step of how you can use your Zoom app. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner, it doesn't matter if you are educated, it doesn't matter if you are an expert, it doesn't matter if even you're a novice. With this, my explanation, you can actually be able to use Zoom app like a pro. You can use Zoom app perfectly. So guys, sit back and enjoy. So Zoom app is one of the app that you can find in the G Suite. G Suite, that's your Google app, is also part of the Google app. And Zoom app has actually helped millions of people all over the world. So I will take us through the downloading process, then to each icon and button that you can find on your Zoom app and what it stands for and why you need to use Zoom app. The essence of me making this video is that information has reached me lately that there are still quite number of people who are yet to maximize the use of Zoom app. They don't even know how it works, and they've been missing a whole lot of, because it actually makes life easier and better. It's also the advanced um, way of doing an online to an advanced way of doing presentations and reaching out to boards of directors and all of that. So let's dive into the app. Now we want to download our Zoom app. Because I have a Zoom app on my phone. Okay, let me also say this. You can install or you can download your Zoom app either on your PC or on your smartphone. It works on both device. So I already have a Zoom app on my device, but nevertheless I will take you through the process of downloading. Now you go to your Play Store. For those that are using a Android device, you click on your Play Store. You click on the Play Store, then on the search bar you type Zoom app. You type in app Zoom app for Android. That's if you're making use of your Android device. And if you're making use of other iOS or other smartphone, just go to your search bar and type Zoom app. So it will display the one to download or the one to install. Now I have the Zoom app on my phone already, but I'm told to update. Okay, let me click on the updating. The essence for you updating your Zoom app is so as to give you the recent, maybe they've added some features on the app or they've actually created a new version so as to like improve the the information or the processes, that's the app processes. So they try to like advance it. They've created another version to make life easier and very convenient for everyone. So I'm trying to upgrade it. Done. So let's open our Zoom app. Wow. So on your device, once you're done installing or downloading your Zoom app, and you click on open or you click on the app, it will bring you to this interface. So on this interface right now, you have the search bar above this place I clicked. Then you have the new meeting. This new meeting indicates if you're the one organizing the meeting. Like, take for instance, let's carry out something. You want to organize a meeting with someone, and you click on new meeting, you'll be brought to this face, and you're being shown video on use personal meeting ID. If you want other people to join this meeting, your meeting, using your personal meeting ID, you're going to on this button here, just the way the video is also on. Then you click on start button. Once you click on start button, automatically you arrive at this place. It's connecting. Let's go back and take more. um let's just go back. Let me end the meeting. Okay, it has brought us back to the first page. Now we have the search button. Don't forget, where you can type anything you want. Then this other icon also signifies new meeting. Then when you want to join a Zoom meeting, maybe you've been given an ID, meeting, a meeting ID rather, and you're asked to join using that link. When your Zoom app opens up like this, all you just have to do is to click on join, and you automatically be allowed into that meeting because you actually have the link to the meeting. So another icon is schedule. This schedule, maybe you are the organizer also, and you want to make use of your Zoom app for a meeting, maybe a board meeting, or for a conference that, we are still on the issue of COVID-19, and there is no one-on-one meetings again. Most of the meetings are being done uh, online. So you want to organize a meeting, and you kind of schedule the name of the meeting, then the dates, from what time to what time, the time zone. Do you want this Zoom meeting to repeat? Then the personal ID information, require meeting passcode. If you want user to use require meeting passcode, it's fine. Enable waiting room, only user admitted by the host can join the meeting, and so on and so forth. This schedule helps you to like organize your meeting before the meeting day, or before the meeting time. That's what a scheduling is. Then share screen. This is very, very important, and that is one of the things that make Zoom uh interesting. It makes Zoom app very, very interesting. For instance, if you're making use of your Zoom app, you can talk and still show your presentation slide. You can talk and still show your presentation slide. Your audience can see all you have on your presentation slide, not just you just talking stories or just telling them orally. They will also, if you have a visual um, information, they will see it for themselves. If you have anything on slide and you want the meeting to be interactive, you want them to like get more clinched to that content or to that topic you're talking about, the appropriate thing to do is to share your slide. Now, this is how you can share your Zoom slides. You click on the share screen. Now, this share screen, it will bring you here for those who are using a phone, a smartphone. If I open my Zoom app on my laptop, once I click on share screen, it will automatically display all the documents I have on my laptop, on my device, on my PC. But for the essence of this video, I'm using the smartphone. I'm using my Android device. And when I clicked on this screen, on this share screen, it brought me to this place where it says enter sharing key or meeting ID to share to a Zoom room. Now, what this means in essence is because I've not initiated any meeting. You understand? I've not initiated any. It is when I've started any meeting, as you know, I've tried to like initiate a meeting. That's when I can actually like share my screen. But at this point I can't share my screen because I'm not into any meeting, or I'm not organizing any meeting that will warrant me sharing my screen. I hope you understand. So that is all of the essence of all this icon you're seeing on top. Then coming downward, you have add contacts. You want to organize a meeting maybe for your group or for your business or for your company, and you don't want to like start ranking or ransacking your head thinking who and who should I add, or who and who should I invite. All you just have to do is to click on this add contacts, and the option of you sending them an invite by email address or from phone contact will be shown to you. Now let's take for instance we want to add people using their phone. See, the option of if the person is in Nigeria, the code is there, and then I have to I have to impute the number. And if the person is not in Nigeria, you can select the country in the country um, section. So I'll go back. Then the next thing is meet and chat. This meet and chat beneath here, when you are in a meeting and you want to send message to the group, or you want to send a general message giving or passing a particular information. You don't want to interrupt the meeting, you don't want to interrupt the discussion, you don't want to interrupt the speaker. You just have to use your meet and chat icon to communicate your mind. So this meeting is the details of this Zoom app, of the meeting you are actually organizing, where you have the meeting ID. This is my meeting ID. If you want to start, you click on start. If you want to send information invitation, you click. If you want to edit, you click. Now this place is showing no upcoming meeting, no upcoming meeting so far. So the next one is the contact. I've already um explained what that stands for. Same thing, I've already explained what that stands for. Then let's click on this more. When you click on your more icon, this icon beneath, where you have three dots, and under the dot you have more. When you click on that three dots, you'll be brought to this interface where you have the general information of your Zoom app, the name of your of your meeting ID, your Gmail will be there. You also the settings and every other thing. You can also scan your QR code and send to someone that also has similar, or that is also using a Zoom app to join a meeting. And basically that is what um that is what a Zoom app stands for, and that is how you can use your Zoom app. That is what it stands for, and that is how you can use your Zoom app. So guys, I hope with this information, with the help of this video, you've been able to understand how to use your Zoom app and why it is necessary to make use of your Zoom app. And you will also understand the essential features you can find or that is on your Zoom app, so that you won't be lost in the web when a meeting is being called and you don't know how to go about it. So that's the essence of a Zoom. And thanks for watching. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay